In this video, I am going to show you how to copy comments on YouTube mobile. So if you go as an example to YouTube, and here on your phone, and you go to a specific like video, the video that you want, and of course I'm just going to ignore this ad, click on X, and here I'm just going to scroll to the comments. So of course, like the YouTube comments or YouTube ads are annoying as usual, so let me just go and skip it and pause the video as example at the moment. And here an example, I'll go down. So now I want to copy a specific comment. So of course you can go in your phone normally. If you just keep hovering, you should be able to copy, but not in the YouTube application. If you hover, you'll get nothing. As you can see, if you click on three dots, you'll just have to share, report, and save. So what you'll need to do, if you're on the iPhone as example, you'll have to take a screenshot. And of course, while taking a screenshot, they can tell you to adjust it. So you'll need to crop it to get just the text. For me as example here, I'm using an emulator so I can just take a screenshot of the whole page. And of course, I'll have to go to my gallery. Of course, in Android as example, if you have the option to crop it right away, crop it. If you don't, just go to your gallery and crop the text exactly that you want to copy. Then you can go to any browser and type like image to text. So once you do so, as example, click on the first link or any other as example option. There are a lot of options and you can simply upload that picture. Once you upload that picture, you'll be able to get the text inside of that picture. That's why I said make sure to crop just the text that you want to copy. So click on browse, as example files, images, screenshots, and I do have here like this. I'm just going to click on convert and it should be converted right away and I'll be able to copy the comments on the YouTube mobile. So cropping the exact comments in the exact text will help you a lot because if you didn't, it will just get you all the stuff, like all the text on the screenshots, and you can of course from after that copy exactly what you want, but it will be a little bit annoying. So yeah, as you can see, you'll have to verify that you are a human and stuff if it's not your first time. So just wait for it until it's finished. And as you can see here, you should find everything about this comments. So you can just go and copy whatever you want or simply copy everything, then delete whatever you want and stuff. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.